Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I'm very sorry for such a late upload. I will try not to repeat it again and upload videos more frequently. So now let's start our today's video. It's basically a Nykaa haul video. I ordered few products from Nykaa and thought of doing a haul for those products. So let's start with product number 1. So this is Cetaphil moisturizer. It's a very basic moisturizer from Cetaphil. It's for dry to very dry skin. I don't have very dry skin, but since winter are arriving, I really need a moisturizer. And the best part is this, it suits sensitive skin and it comes in this tube packaging. Personally, I prefer tube packaging as compared to tub because tube one are more hygienic. So yeah, this is the first product. So the next product is from Lotus Professional Whitening and Brightening Night Cream, and it's from their Phyto RX range. It's basically a night cream, but it's not on very thick side, which I like. So this is the second product. So the next thing that I got are these two body lotion from St. Ives. I really wanted to try their body lotions because they does not contain paraben. They are animal ingredient free and 100% natural. So I wanted to try their body lotion. I ordered on two variants. The one is coconut milk and orchid extract, and the next is oatmeal and shea butter. So these are the two body lotion from St. Ives. Now the next product that I bought are these shampoo and conditioner from Garnier. They launched a new range called Ultra Blend, and I got two variants from them. One is Royal Jelly and Lavender, and the other one is 5 Precious Herb. Now coming to very sad part, I ordered this L'Oreal Smooth Intense Hair Serum and I got it damaged. It's totally damaged, so it's of no use. I asked them for refund. Let's see what happens next. I'll let you know. So this one is just waste of money. I ordered few makeup products also. The first makeup product is this Matte Magique from L'Oreal. It's their foundation. It's basically a matte foundation, and I know winters are coming and I should not order matte foundation, but matte foundation can be turned into satin just by applying a few drops of facial oil. So I'll work on it. I really love its packaging and it's new, so I wanted to try it. That's why I ordered it. So this is the first makeup product. Now the next product is LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. Now this is also paraben free and fragrance free, enriched with vitamin E. Now this time most of the product I ordered are basically paraben free, which is really good. The next product that I ordered is also from LA Girl. It's their Pro Concealer and it's in shade Beautiful Bronze. Basically I ordered this concealer for contouring because since winter arriving, I think that cream contour would be better than powder contour. So this is basically for contouring. Let me open this. So I finally opened it. So oh yeah, it comes with this brush. I really like it, and let's see. It's really gorgeous brown shade. It's perfect for contouring. Now the next product is also a concealer and it's basically for concealing. It's from Maybelline New York and it's their Fit Me range concealer. It comes with beautiful wand. I think wand really help us to conceal nicely. Next thing is also from Maybelline and it's the Magnum Barbie mascara. I really find its packaging very cute and I basically ordered it because of its packaging, because it's very cute pink and yellow color and I think it will look very cute on my vanity. So I ordered this basically for the packaging, and I will see how it will fare on its work or not. Now the next two products are also from Maybelline. It's their Color Show lipsticks. Now this one is in the shade 209 Red Liberation. It's very gorgeous bright red color. I really love this red. And the next one is in the shade 410 Wine Divine, sorry, Wine Divine. And this look gorgeous, and this is the color I am wearing right now, and I like dark colors for winter, so I ordered this. This thing is obviously from Maybelline and it's their lasting drama gel liner. I have already used it. I really loved it. So it's basically come with this brush and this pot, and this time they are saying that it's even more black than ever. Oh wow, see, it's so damn black. I highly recommend it. It doesn't smudge and it's really waterproof, so you should try it once if you haven't tried yet. Last product is also from Maybelline. It's their Fashion Brow Dew Shaper. It's in shade gray. Now it has these two sides. Oopsie. One side it has powder and the next side it has this pencil. This is, oh yeah, I forgot, I also got a cute little pouch from Nykaa. It's in pink color and I really like everything in pink. It's really cute and it's basically a makeup pouch, so I got it as a gift, and who doesn't like free gifts? So this is the pouch that I got as a gift. So guys, that's all for today video. I hope you enjoy watching my Nykaa haul, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like watching my video, and do comments. I really like and appreciate reading your comments. It helped me a lot in growing. And you can even follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. So see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.